Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to repair the sidewall of your tire if you get a puncture, whether you're out on the road or on the trail. Now, the first thing that happens whenever you're out on the trail, you get a sidewall puncture, somebody in the group always comes up and they hit you with these here licorice plugs, and then you jam about 5, 10, maybe 15 of these in there to get yourself back to your truck, camp, wherever you're going. I'm going to share with you guys something today that we've been using for a couple years now that's made a big difference for us, and that is the Steelman 2-inch patch. Now this is more of a commercial grade industrial type patch, extremely heavy duty. It vulcanizes to the tire, and when you get this thing on there and it sets up, it is bulletproof. Now Steelman has on their box that it will cover up to a 1/4 inch puncture. We're going to break the rules today, and we're going to use a 3/4 inch drill bit, and we're going to drill a hole in the side of our sidewall on the tire here, and we're going to fix it with the Steelman patch, and we're going to show you how to do it. Here we go. We've got a nice 3/4 inch hole in the sidewall here. I think y'all can agree that that's a pretty serious hole. The first thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to scuff up the side of the tire where you're going to put the patch. Now you want to scuff it up so that way the patch has a good opportunity to bond itself and vulcanize to the tire. You could use something rough or abrasive to go over it. For time's sake, today we're going to actually use a grinder. All right, now that we got it all ground off, we're going to go ahead and clean all this excess off of here. And you just want to make sure you get it nice and clean. We all know how it is out on the trail. You don't exactly have everything with you to fix it in a pinch. There's been times out on the trail that we've repaired tires that we didn't have any kind of tire cleaner. Heck, we didn't even have anything to grind down the tire. We just basically put on the glue and left it set up, threw the patch on there, stitched it. We've got some that have held for quite a while. So I mean, I know how the procedure is and what you're supposed to do, but I'm telling you, if you get in a pinch, just get it fixed and get back to your truck or camp or wherever you're going. This will definitely do it without all the extra stuff. If you're in the shop, it's great to do it like this, but out on the trail, you just got to do what you got to do to get back to your truck or camp. So now that we got the tire prepped, we cleaned it, we scraped it, we're going to go ahead and put this glue on here. Now the deal about this glue, don't put a ton on, but then again, you don't just throw just a little bit on there. You just move your applicator in a bunch of different directions, so that way you get all the cracks and crevices in the tire, so that way the patch can set up on there. Now here's the thing, you let that sit until it dries. A lot of people would think that, oh, now that it's wet, I got to throw the patch on there. Actually, if you put the patch on there, it's not going to cure right, and it won't hold as well as if you just let it dry. You got to let that dry, so maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and throw the patch on there. All right, we've given that about 15 minutes to set up. So we're going to go ahead and take our patch and put it on there, and the easiest way to do this is peel the back off. You don't want to touch the patch. Put your fingers on that clear part, and you peel that off, and then what you'll do is you'll take your patch and you just kind of center it over your hole, and you put it on right like that. You kind of seat it with your fingers, and then what you do is you take your stitcher, you work from the middle out, and you get out all the air bubbles. Put some good force on it so that way it gets in there, gets in all the grooves. You want no air and a good seal. Once you get it all on there and you get that patch stitched on there, you pull your plastic off. So we're going to put this valve gut back in, fill it up with air, and give it a test. Well, there we go, y'all. We got the patch on there. We got the tire all squared away. You'll notice that it is bulging just a little bit right here, but that's to be expected with a 3/4 inch hole. I've seen some guys actually put plugs in and then put this patch on over top to really make sure everything stays in there and it holds the air. So we're going to check some air here. Yep, we're holding air. Now let's hit it with some soapy water and see if it's leaking. so we're not leaking around the edges of the patch. That's a good thing. This is a great option for fixing the sidewall, or if you have an internal fix on your tire that you got to do. Well, there you go, guys. The information is below for the Steelman patches and the whole kit. We got it all on Amazon. I put an affiliate link down there, so if you do click on that and you buy it, we get like a 1% kickback. I appreciate all your support, and if you wouldn't mind, if you like what we do, hit us with a subscribe. I noticed the other day in our analytics, 87% of the people that watch our videos aren't even subscribed. So hey, give us a 30-day opportunity. Click on our stuff. If you don't like what we're doing after 30 days, unsubscribe. We appreciate you at least giving us the opportunity. Thanks a lot, y'all. We'll see you. Take care and have a good one.